We keep talking about the importance of foundational jobs. Why are they special? The answer is because they add value, enable investment, provide better paying, long-term jobs, and support the service and public sectors of the economy. Let's take a closer look at how this is all true by looking at the impact of a sawmill. The mill itself employs operators, maintenance personnel, salespeople, clerical staff, financial people, foresters, warehouse people, mechanics, yard workers, scalers, safety managers, planners, and more. It buys timber from landowners and employs loggers to harvest wood and truckers to move it. The operation also needs insurance providers, lawyers, accountants, and bankers. It pays for power and water, manages water quality, buys equipment from manufacturers, and uses architects and construction companies whenever it expands. And all of these people pay taxes that pay for school, parks, roads, social programs, police, fire, and other government services. They pay for health care and support hospitals and families. All of this happens because of the foundational work and value added of the sawmill.